To convert or swap cryptocurrency in Uphold. The process is straightforward and quick. First, open the Uphold app or website. If using the mobile app, click on the Transact button. While website users can proceed directly to the Anything to Anything section on the right side. The steps are similar for both the app and website, so the demonstration will be in the mobile app, but the same steps apply to the website. In the Anything to Anything section, click on Select Source and choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert, such as XRP, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Next, tap on Select Destination and choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, or use the search bar to find a specific one, like Solana. Then, enter the amount you want to convert, which can be any amount, and the system will display the minimum amount required. After entering the amount, click on Preview Trade to see how much cryptocurrency you will receive. If the details are satisfactory, click on the Confirm Trade button to complete the conversion. This process allows users to easily convert their cryptocurrencies in Uphold. Less than EOT_ID greater than